Today's lesson, we're going to be comparing and ordering integers. So yesterday we were introduced to the concept of integers, which just means it's negative numbers, it's zero, and it's positive numbers. So today we're going to be looking at how to understand when you're looking at 2 or 3 or more integers, which one's bigger, which one's smaller, etc. In my opinion, the easiest way to think about integers is to pretend that they are temperature. So the warmer it is outside, the higher the number is. So let's just kind of jump into some of these examples, and I think that you'll catch on pretty quickly. So the directions say use your comparison signs to compare. So number 1 is showing me negative 18 compared to 3. Well, the warmer temperature is 3 degrees. I would rather have it be 3 degrees. So my alligator is going to eat that 3. So just think of it as which integer would be warmer. So when you see the negative 18, that's like negative 18 degrees. It's 18 degrees below 0. That'd be freezing. Okay, so now look at number 2. They're both negatives. So we're just going to see which one would be warmer. Negative 5 degrees or negative 10 degrees? Well, I would rather it be negative 5 because that's really cold, but negative 10 is even colder. Now I look at number 3. I'm comparing 4 to the absolute value of negative 4. Well, on yesterday's lesson, we discussed absolute value. And absolute value really just means how far is negative 4 from 0? Well, if I have a number line here, here's 0, negative 1, oops. Sorry, my number line is clearly not going to be big enough. Okay, let's do it up here. I'm going to put negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, and 0. How far is negative 4 from 0? 1, 2, 3, 4. So really, we are comparing 4 to 4. So when you look at 4 and you look at 4, you should be able to identify that those are equal. So when it says absolute value of negative 4, it really just means 4 spaces from 0. Okay, and then number 4 here, what is warmer, 0 degrees or negative 3 degrees? Well, 0 degrees would be warmer. So that's the first types of questions that you're going to be asked to complete today. The next type of question is they will give you a list of integers and you'll be asked to order them from least to greatest or potentially greatest to least. So make sure when you get to these questions you're reading the directions and knowing, am I doing big to little or little to big? So my directions here show least to greatest, so smallest to biggest. So I'm looking at the coldest temperature to the hottest temperature. So if I look at my list, I have 10, negative 8 degrees, negative 9 degrees. The coldest temperature would be negative 9. Then it'd be negative 8, and then it would be 10. Number 2, I have 7, negative 13, and 0. The coldest would be negative 13, and then 0, and then 7. Okay, number 3, negative 1, 1, negative 5, negative 2. The coldest temperature would be negative 5, then negative 2, then negative 1, and then 1. And then finally, look at number 4. Okay, there's a couple in here that we need to discuss. So I have negative 2, the absolute value of negative 5, negative 1, and the absolute value of 4. Okay, so absolute value means how far is that number from 0 on the number line? Well, negative 5 is only 5 from 0, and 4 is 4 from 0. So now if I try to identify least to greatest, I see the smallest is, the coldest is negative 2, then the coldest is negative 1. Now I'm left with 4 and 5. Well, 4 would be colder, and then 5 would be my last number. However, I need to write these as they're listed in my question. So for example, I had to write absolute value of 4, and now I'm going to write absolute value of negative 5 because that's how they're listed in my question. So my biggest key to you today will just be thinking of them as if it were temperature. The colder it is, the smaller the number. The warmer it is, the greater the number. So if you have two negative numbers, negative 10 and negative 15, -10 is the warmer temperature, so -10 is actually bigger than -15. So think of it in terms of that. Today's homework, you're going to have where you have to order them from least to greatest or greatest to least, and how you will have to compare two numbers like on my first 4 examples that I showed you. You will also be given a table with, 6 cities on it, and they will show you their high temperature and their low temperature, and you'll be asked to order those as well. I think that you guys will catch on to this concept pretty quickly because I know how smart you all are.